Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about exponents, more specifically how to evaluate exponents. To get us started, we have 3 to the power of 4. And the first thing we want to do is write 3 to the power of 4 as repeated multiplication. That means 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now, we know to use 3 as a repeated factor because that's the base, and we know to write it out 4 times because that's our exponent. Next, we're going to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and that equals to 81. Finally, we want to write a numerical equation showing that 3 to the power of 4 and 81 are equivalent, because when we evaluated 3 to the power of 4, we got an answer of 81. So we're going to show that they are in fact equivalent. Next, we have another example, which is 2 to the power of 5. Now, our base is 2, so we're going to use that as our repeated factor, and our exponent is 5, so we're going to write that out 5 times. So 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Next, we're going to multiply that out, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 32. Finally, we're going to show that 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. Here we have another example, which is 9 to the power of 2, or we could read this as 9 squared. And so 9 squared is equal to 9 times 9. Again, our base is 9, so that's the number we're going to use as a repeated factor, and our exponent is 2, which tells us to write it out 2 times. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So finally, we're going to show that 9 squared is equal to 81. Here we have our final example, which is 4 to the power of 3, or we could read that out as 4 cubed. 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. Again, 4 is our base, so that's what we use as a repeated factor. And 3 is our exponent, which tells us how many times we write 4 out. 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. So that means 4 cubed is equal to 64. And that's it.